Evan. This is the website. Looking at it, it doesn't look like you have too much content on here. Throwing it into word counter, you only got 163 words, so you definitely want to add more content. Google loves content, so the more content you have, the better. You want to also have keywords organically in there. You don't want to stuff them, but you want to have them in there so you can rank for them. Another thing is these images. You want to have them saved as a keyword. So for a contractor or Utah or whatever keyword you want to rank for. So you'd want to do that to all your images with different keywords. That'll just give you an extra keyword. Google will see the keyword instead of the image. They don't see the images, they just see what it's saved as. So it helps you rank. So I typed in floor contractor Orem. Hopefully I'm saying that city right, but first thing, there would be ads here. Then you got the Google Map Pack. And then going down, you got the organic ranking. Coming down here, grabbing this guy, looking at his website. You see he has more content than you, but he doesn't have a lot of content either. So he's only got 432 words. So 1,000 words should be enough, but you can keep getting more. You can get 1,500 or as many as you want. Again, more content, the better. Let's see what his images are saved as. He doesn't have it saved right either. So that's good for you. It means you can get that advantage that he, because he's missing out on, he's not taking that opportunity, and you can take it and have a little advantage over him with that. Putting into Ahrefs, which is a cool tool I like to use. It looks like your website's new. It doesn't have any backlinks or referring domains or keywords that it's ranking for on Google. Putting in your competitor, you'll see he's got 1,430 backlinks and 28 referring domains and 1,200 keywords he's ranking for. And he gets about 113 traffic a month. Backlinks are something you need to get. We can come in here and see what his backlinks are for and where they're from. So we want to, not all backlinks are the same. You want to get ones that are relevant to your industry, as well as ones that have a higher DR and UR. You don't want to get spammy ones. You don't want to get fast food or something that's not relevant to your industry, as well as you don't want to get the lower spammy ones. But yeah, we can come in here. We see this. Let's see with this one. We can see what it's a virtual parade. But yeah, we can try to figure out where he is. He's probably a sponsor on here, I'll bet. Let's see, what's his image? Halifax flooring. My guess is he's got to be a sponsor on here. So he paid to be a sponsor and get his image on here. And that's how he got that backlink right there. That'll link back to his website if you click it. So, and that's, if we want that backlink, we can go there and see how much it costs to get the sponsor and grab that. A backlink if you want it. There's tons of ways you can get them. You can get them through blogs, guest posts, get blog commenting. You can get them, sponsors like I just showed you, or you can get them with. You can get them with. Why the word's not coming to my mind? Just a second. Articles. That's what I was looking for. You can have a news article written about you with links back to your website. There's tons of other ways you can get them as well. But basically, we're just coming here and grab the ones that we like, and we can go to other competitors and grab the ones that we like as well as Googling for other ones. Then we can come and look at this guy's keywords, what he's ranking for. Obviously, that's him, but this one, he's number one position for flooring, Orem, Utah. It's 40 volume, 40 people searched that. It's a 7 KD, so it's not too bad to rank for. Obviously, this 33 right here, flooring, Utah, you wouldn't even want to go for that because that's just the state. We would want to have Orem in there, so it's location specific. I mean, you could go for that as well, and you might get, maybe 15 of the people are actually searching for it in that state or in that city. But we'd want to grab the ones that we want and go for the lower KD ones to start. We'd go for the higher ones as well, but I would probably want to get all the small ones so you can get you'll see traffic from them sooner. You'd see results from them faster, like this carpet or Utah 30 volume a month, 6 KD, and this guy's getting 1.4 of them a month, and he's number 6 position. The KD basically is how hard it would be to rank for that. Look at laminate floor in Utah. Oh, never mind, that's Utah, but still it's got a decent KD, but it doesn't have Orem on it, so we'd probably want to find one with that instead. But KD basically just means how hard it's going to be to rank for it on Google. Yeah, we can come in here and find, we can even just search Orem on here and just get all the location-specific ones. I could have done that sooner. But yeah, you'll see there's all of these. Flooring, Orem, Utah. Always come in and grab the ones that we like. Make sure we have that keyword on our website and rank for it. And then the next thing is the GMB. Coming in here, if you don't have one, I would suggest setting one up. It's free to do. They'll send you a postcard to get verified. You want to make sure you fill out 100%. You don't want to skip steps. And then you want to also have as many photos as you can. Photos are the content for the GMB. And then the next thing is citations. This top guy has 22 citations. Citations are just directories, basically. So like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Home Advisor. Some you pay for. There's a bunch of free ones out there. There's thousands of them out there. We'd grab the ones we like here and get them for you as well. You want to make sure the name is the same as on your GMB, as well as the phone number and the location. It's easy to do. It just takes a lot of time. It's time consuming, but it's something you can do. Yeah, and then you can start ranking your GMB as well as your organic ranking of your website. Hopefully all that helps. Hopefully you found it useful. If you want, we can set up a phone call or a video call and talk more. If not, that's okay as well. I hope you have a good rest of the day, and thanks for watching.